This is crazy. Look at me, hon.
What?
All bundled up.
I can't turn my head. I can't move my arms.
Can't put my arms down.
That's deep. I did not know what I was
Oh
walking.
man, I hope my phone doesn't get ruined.
It will.
Obviously, there's a huge snowstorm in New York City. We're walking through the snow, and I think we got about 20 inches, 18 inches?
Yeah.
Something. What? Oh my God. Woo! Whoa. Oh my God. I'm from Arizona and I have no idea what this is like. This is totally weird for me. I've never been in snowfall before in my life. And I moved to New York and this happens. There's gonna be so many accidents happening today. This is insane. People have to drive like 5 miles per hour and they get that black ice and they just skid out of control. You alright? Craziest things about this blizzard right now is not how high the snow is and how fast it came, but it's that people are outside walking their dogs. This lady was walking her beautiful, beautiful dog. She walks by with the dog, and the dog's limping. So she stops because she thought it had to pee. So she let it pee, and it's still limping. And then you can hear her saying, "Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry." And then I asked what was wrong, and she said that the salt that people put on the sidewalk so people don't slip gets in their paws, and it burns and it stings. So not only do the dogs have the ridiculous snow to worry about, but also they have to worry about the salt everywhere because it burns their feet. They got you working in this? Are you a doorman?
I'm a doorman. We just get to watch
Oh yeah.
until somebody comes to do a check-in or check-out.
Oh my God.
Well, I have to be there constantly, but if somebody comes in with check-ins or check-outs, I have to walk out and get the luggage inside.
Oh my
Vice
God.
versa, I get, take the luggage out too.
Yeah.
So, I might not be there all the time, but I have to be here, yeah.
Oh my God. Wow. Today's the day, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Slid right into it. Hope there's not too much damage. Guy's stuck in the snow. Let's see if he can get out. Oof. Nasty out there. Yeah. They said that the winds could reach up to 50 miles per hour. Ooh, it just blows right in your face. Oh my God. Woo! There it is. Oh man, it's insane. Here on 5th Ave, it's snowing in New York. All you have to do is sit and move the snow. Like a tractor lawnmower with a snowplow. It's awesome. Uh-oh. This, I just found, is one of the most satisfying things that you could do in the snow. so satisfying. All bundled up. Found a nice mirror here. Oh my god, this is crazy. One of the craziest things is, that's not too bad here, but back there a little bit, the snow was this deep. It's really deep like that, you have to lift your legs and lift your knees super high, and it's like a workout, man. I don't even have to go to the gym now. I'm working out here in the snow, just walking around. Pretty awesome. And another one. Everyone's been getting stuck in the snow. It's crazy. Helped that guy back there, and I helped him get unstuck, and then he got stuck again, and then he said that I could go. I offered my help, of course, but looks like they're getting it. Let's see if they get it. Come on. Come on, Raul. I think that's what his name was. Ooh, got some snow here. You getting it? I don't know how they're gonna get down the street. It's miles and miles of this stuff. So I was just walking, and this huge gust of wind, I swear, almost blew me over. That's how fast it was. It must have been, I want to say 40 miles an hour. It was fast. See me? It's so amazing. This is insane. I love it. It's so beautiful. Hello. What's up? What are you doing? Why? Where? New York City. So it's Abby, Isabella, and Mona.
We were hanging out here for a while.
Yeah.
And then Mom came along.
What's up? Look at what?
The snow?
I know, it's crazy. What do you think about it?
I want to fall in it.
Do it.
You ready?
Wait, I would back up into the street though.
Oh, okay.
Back up a couple feet, because you might hit the curb.
I'm just gonna sit then.
No, actually, I'll do it then.
No. Okay, I'll record you.
Okay.
Oh my god! Steven, get up! I don't want you to die.
Oh, it's so nice.
You're so silly.
Oh my god, that's crazy. It's so cold. Murder weapon out in this crazy weather. Icicle. You stab someone with this, there's no trace of it. Weather. Oh my god. And it's still falling on us. They're closing local transit in about an hour, so we're going home.
And train. The next stop is 39th
Oof.
Avenue.
Oh my god. Made our mark.
I'm gonna slam, okay?
Okay, go for a slam.
Do you think I can do it?
Yes. Oh! Oh, look at the legs. How do you feel?
I feel relaxed.
Ajax, what are you doing? It's too cold for you. Sure, yeah. It's too cold, buddy. It's too cold. Ajax, oh my god, honey, it's too cold.
Okay, be careful, love.
Ready?
Yeah.